Oh, ready?
Ready to the rumble!
Are you ready to rumble?
Yes!
On the right corner, wearing white sandal and with a long hair, Christine Kwang Kwang. And on the left corner, weighing 180 pounds, pinakapayat ng Sampaloc, Manila, Nico! Ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Get ready to rumble! Round 1! Ayan na po, kung makikita niyo po, ang isa po ay nakahiga na. Hindi na po siya. Hindi na po niya makaya eh. Yung isa, naku po, yung isa tumba, boink. Patay. Patay na po yata. Patay na. Yay! Hey! Silang payatot ay talo. And the winner is Nicole and Pasqua Muscleman. Muscleman. Next round.